let's face it, all gimbals pretty much function the same way, more or less. I mean, they're designed to smooth out your footage. And when it comes to gimbals for mobile filmmaking, there's not really much you can do with it. That is until Zhiyun came up with some pretty sweet features on the Smooth 4. Let's check it out. So let's state the obvious, this gimbal is white, most gimbals are black. The Smooth 4 comes in either black or white. I specifically chose white because I have a white iPhone 8, and putting those two together makes this setup look pretty bamf. I mean, hold on, come on, how sick is that? As you can see in the front, there are a lot of buttons. On the top is the menu button where you can access the menu, and there you can adjust settings like your video resolution, you can change your shutter speed, your ISO, your white balance. I can't believe you can do that with a gimbal. Here you have a display button where you can toggle certain display options. You have the wheel to scroll through different options. Right here in the middle is the flash, so if you hold this button down, it'll activate the light on your camera. On the wheel, there are a few more options. If you push down the left side of the wheel, the gimbal tells your phone to switch cameras from front-facing to rear-facing. That is incredibly helpful, especially if you vlog with your smartphone. The top button of the wheel gives you options to choose your video resolution, so depending on your phone, you can film in 720, 1080, 4K 24, 4K 60. So good! Push the right side of the wheel allows you to adjust the exposure of the camera, and finally pushing down on the wheel gives you access to the library so you can play back the footage. On the bottom left activates two options. The first option is focus. Yes, you can focus manually with this gimbal and your smartphone. In order to adjust focus, all you have to do is adjust the wheel on the side, just like that. Having the ability to manually focus on your smartphone can help you film certain shots like rack focusing. So good! Push this button again, and now it gives you the option to zoom by using the same wheel. And because this gimbal gives you the ability to zoom in and zoom out on your smartphone, you can now pull off shots like the vertigo effect on your smartphone. All you have to do is walk forward and zoom out, or walk backwards and zoom in, and boom, ka-chow, vertigo, baby. The button on the right allows you to take a photo with your smartphone, and in the middle where the red dot is allows you to record video. The button below that are two options to pan follow, and when you flip the switch down, it activates lock mode, which locks the pan axis. On the back of the gimbal are two buttons. The bottom button gives you full follow mode so that you can actually move the gimbal as you please. And check this out. If you move the gimbal up, it'll go up, but let it go. That locks your smartphone in place. And if you want to reset the gimbal back to normal, just push the back button twice and so cool. The top back button activates a really cool feature called Phone Go mode. So basically, instead of the gimbal having these smooth movements, push and hold the top back button, and now the gimbal can do really rapid, quick movements. This is particularly useful for those of you that want to capture fast, rapid movement like sports. So if you want to film your kid's soccer game and you don't want to miss a moment, activate Phone Go and you're good to go. Another cool feature of the Smooth 4 is that you can actually use the gimbal in portrait mode. All you have to do is unlock the dial in the back, rotate the phone to portrait mode. Now you can film incredibly smooth shots for Instagram stories. And last but not least, there is an incredible energy saving feature on the Smooth 4, and that's standby mode. All you have to do is do that, and that triggers the gimbal to be on standby mode. And when you're ready to start filming, it's ready to go. And that is the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and the best part about this gimbal is that it only costs $139 US. So if you want to start getting into mobile filmmaking and you're looking for a gimbal that can do more than just give you smooth footage, then the Zhiyun 4 can be a really good and affordable option for you. Alright, I'm out of here, but I'm gonna leave you with some sweet, sweet footage from the Zhiyun Smooth 4.